Just revise your class notes. Today you can solve some problems. Please revise. Please revise few minutes class notes. Good morning everyone. Please revise. You can do some problems then. Array, we are taking a bit more time for concentration methods. You can try to close as soon as with your cooperation. Just revise all class which is concentration method starting to ending. Okay, completed. What we discussed last class, I think so. Molarity, normality also completed. Is it clear? I hope normality completed. Okay, you done some questions. Anything you created yourself? Your own questions, sir. You can take any molecules, any weight, dissolve in below 1000 ml, then calculate. Already some people they sent by created their own. Very good. Even that is wronger means character secretaries. First, you can try to create yourself. That is a process to improve our skills towards our target. Okay, fine. We can do, sir, today some questions and some other concept also. Wait few minutes. We can do. Just a minute. Okay. If you have any question doubt, you may can type. You can that question. I will give that is clear. Otherwise, you can proceed next concept. If you have any doubts, yesterday questions which you can type or you can send. That is, we'll discuss. Clear. Homework questions right now I don't have. Just I given at the time randomly. That's only. There is not any questions, any something we did at the time. Instantaneously given. Okay. We didn't copy from any other book those questions. We given randomly at the time we created. Instantaneously we given. So now we can see. I think so. We completed concentration methods. Normality completed, molarity completed, mole fraction completed. Is clear? Is this completed all? Anything remaining? The things we completed up to this. Is it clear? Kavipriya, what's your doubt? 0.3 grams of S3PO4 dissolved in 500 ml of solution. What we need to calculate? Normality. So normality equal to weight by gram equivalent weight. into 1000 by VML. So you can calculate 0.3 grams. Equivalent weight is 98 by 3 into 1000 by 500 ml we given. Nothing, so 500 ml. So that's your answer. Yesterday doubt that question. Nothing. Huh? It's not the mole. Weight only are given. Na? Grams means weight only. Na? So see, someone they given 0.0182. You got answer same thing. By mole, we have to convert mole. This is not mole. Equivalents. Normality, molarity. What is the difference then? If you are getting both are moles means what is the difference? Then why you have to study both are separately? So which is the question you are asking? That's you need to try. I think so. I asked that is normality. So try normality by using normality formula. Okay. We'll discuss one more time n factor for reactions. Just this is for normality purpose I discuss. We'll come back again. We'll discuss if possible different examples also. Okay. Now you don't worry n factor for redox reactions. I didn't use anywhere here. Any other next? Kavi Priya. I didn't remember any question that is. If you have doubt particular question you can send, we'll discuss. Be confident which you are doing. You are doing everything is good. Okay. Be confident. You applied your process or not, keep in mind. Any other? Unit is gram equivalents per liter, normality units. Okay. Normality unit is gram equivalents. Friends per liter. Molarity moles per liter. Any units, sir? Small m molality mole per kg. Any other, please? Not LY, liter. Array, please concentrate my pronunciation also, which you are getting orally. LY, I don't know that is where I wrote LY. Where did you find that is? Liter I wrote. I don't know LY. Next, 4.2 grams of NaCO3 dissolved in 500 ml. What is the problem here? Shark. Array, calculate now. N factor is 1. Should not take 2 N factor. Because this is can lose Na plus. You can try. Please check if your doubts is there here. 4.2 grams of NaHCO3 dissolved in 500 ml of solution. So normality equal to weight by gram weight 84 by 1. Is it correct? Check it. Into 1000 by 500. In fact, is 1, sir. Only 1 Na plus here. These are salts, na? We can lose 1. Next. Please. Any other? If molarity means mole per liter, if normality means equivalents per liter. A mole fraction, no unit. Wherever taking fractions means ratios, there is no units. Yes, always you are going to be convert in whatever you convert. Ultimately, that is moles per liter only. You never get that is in other units. Percentage only, that is. If that is suppose, you can check here we mention they're asking what is the units of W by W percent. Array, both are weight. There is no unit. Unitless. Both are volume. No unitless. Both will be cancelled. Here you can get gram per ml because W is grams, V is ml. Strength of solution you can get gram per liter. So both are same units means that will be cancelled. Dinesh, I sent 2 books. Please, you can find out any one book that type of homework. Otherwise, you can create yourself. You should not ask now homework sir, question sir. You can create yourself. That is the reason that is one of the homework. You need to create yourself 20 sums or 15 sums. Most of the students already created. They sent with question and answers. Why didn't done that work? Next. Then you didn't maybe ask that one. You didn't request me. That's fine. But most of the people they got books. I think so. Again, you request. I'll send that one. Yes, who got Sekhar's book? You can start. Please, you can start. That is very good book. You can do one. Then send. We are getting doubts. That image through WhatsApp. We'll discuss again. Can I move next? Wait, further concept. Can I move that one? I think for you I given up to dilution, same nature mixing, opposite nature mixing, everything we counted. Please let me know that one. Same nature solutions mix, opposite nature solution mixing, for molarity, normality, both we completed. Okay. Array, just still you are strucking. That's why. Array, if not there, leave that one. Then which is I forward, those we can solve. Which is suppose someone they're asking, sir, Seeker's book is not there, normality. Leave it that one. Which is the content you can do. Array, I am trying to give to make easy for you people. Even you are completed with me one lesson, which is stoichiometry redox reaction, then you won't get any difficulty in future also physical chemistry. If you done very well these 2 chapters, you are going to be very good in your chemistry wherever you are studying, any school. If you don't like to that one, then I can follow only book. That's up to you, sir. Okay, now we are taking interrelations. I think so already relationships, all these concentrations, we given some of the things, which is except these 4 remaining interrelation given, remaining W by W percent, W by V percent like. Now I am going to be discuss if they given molarity, how to calculate normality. If they given molarity, how to calculate molality, small m. Okay, like that type of things, relations, which is requirement for us. That's all I'm going to be discuss. Is it clear? Okay, fine. So, right, a relationship between capital N and capital M. Capital N, capital M. Please write first molarity formula. What is the molarity formula? What is the normality formula? Write both. Capital letters. All are capital letters. Now what is the formula wrote? Is it clear? Molarity equal to weight by gram molecular mass into 1 by V liters. Normality equal to weight by gram equivalent weight into 1 by V liters. This is no difference. Only equivalent weight, molecular weight is the difference. Then take this is molarity by normality. What will get, sir? Molarity equal to weight by gram molecular mass into 1 by V liters. Normality equal to, just I'm substituting whole value. Weight by gram equivalent into 1 by V liters, which is cancelling here. Can you try? So 1 by V liters cancel, W cancel. What is happening, sir, here? So molarity and normality equal to gram equivalent weight by gram molecular mass is the remaining. So I know that one already. Gram molecular mass equal to, sorry, gram equivalent weight. Please check it. Gram equivalent weight equal to gram molecular mass by n factor. So you can substitute in place of gram equivalent weight, gram molecular mass by n factor. So I'm substituting here molarity by normality equal to gram molecular mass by n factor into gram molecular mass. I'm substituting in place of gram equivalent weight, gram molecular mass by n factor. So both will be cancelled. Then what we are getting here? Normality equal to molarity into n factor. So n factor meaning you know that one for acids and bases. Is it clear? What's your doubt? Please you can ask. Yes, correct. You can check it. Please check it and note down. Clear? Any doubt, please? Which step you need, sir? Please, you can ask. Array, very simple. Up to this, you understood? I think so, everyone. M by N equal to. What is the remaining here? Gram equivalent. Array, this will go up, sir. Equivalent weight will go up. Gram marker mass will come down only. So you will get this the ratio. After that, in place of gram equivalent weight equal to, what's the formula gram equivalent weight equal to? Gram marker mass by N factor. So in place of gram equivalent, what you can substitute here? You can substitute this is the relation. Gram molecular mass by N factor. Already gram molecular mass is there here. Both will be cancelled. Remaining is what you can get here. Molarity by normality equal to 1 by N factor. So normality equal to molarity into N factor. So this is the formula. Which is more, sir? Molarity or normality? Which is more value here? In terms of value, normality is greater than molarity. Please note down. In terms of value, normality is greater than molarity. Is it clear? Because normality equal to something molarity into N factor. Some value also is there. Product of this concentration should be more than, sometimes equal also, but never be less than molarity. But never be less molarity. Clear? Even that fraction also will come up, sir. Mostly. Okay. For particular solution, if you are taking particular solution, molarity and normality, something you need to multiply into that value. That value is positive only. That never be negative value. Even suppose molarity is 1, okay, then we are multiplying into something value, we'll get something. For particular solution, this is general case, we can apply. If you are getting anything exception or anything somewhere, please let me know that one, we'll discuss that is also. Now please can you write one question here. Formula we discuss, then followed by question I am giving. Very simple is all these things. We are discussing concept followed by question, how to apply, both discussing at a time. Please look into this. Very simple, all these things we can do right now also. See, calculate normality and molarity of right 0.49 grams of H2SO4 dissolved in 500 ml of solution. I think so. Screen is visible. We can do, I hope. N factor generally you won't get like that way. Half N factor you will get, that is very rare cases, that is disproportionation reactions. Even those also mostly will get more than 1. So less than 1 we didn't see, but if you are finding anywhere, let me know that one. I'm explaining with respect to practically which is available molecules. Is clear? Not imaginary states. If you are applying pure mathematics, we can get, sir, all the cases, doesn't matter. Yeah, someone they given answers. Please find. N factor negative. I don't think so. You won't get anywhere negative N factor. How you can get N factor negative? Most of the people who are giving answers means you are understanding. That's I can understood. Huh? Yes, yes. Good. Who are not getting, sir? Please, I given here only formulas. Both formulas are given. Molarity, normality formulas. You can substitute in these formulas, will get answer. Everything I given here. Don't want to do anything. So suppose you are getting molarity. Molarity equal to weight by gram molecular mass into 1000 by VML. Weight I given 4.0.49 grams by 98 into 1000 by 500. Substitute. Okay. This is 2 times 0.01. Is it clear? టైం ఇచ్చింది కదా ఇలా చేయలేము కదా ఊరికి పొరుగు పెట్టాలంట అడిగి ఒకసారి చేద్దాం. So once you got molarity, normality equal to molarity into n factor. Molarity is 0.01. For H2SO4 n factor, sir, when I given purely like this without reaction, then you can take complete number of hydrogens. I think so. I given some acids list of n factors. Those you have to remember. Into 2, 0.02. So how many people you got this answer, sir? Please check it. Any doubt here? Any doubt? Okay, fine. Good, good. Next. Calculate the normality of 0.3 mH3PO4. This is the question number 1, sir. Question number 2. 0.2 mH3PO2. Question number 3. 0.1 mH3PO3. Please do all these answers. Okay, one is 0.9. Fine. Second, 0.6. What was the second one, sir? 0.2 or 0. Okay, fine. So I'm giving n factors, at least you can multiply, sir. Alright, this is a explanation with structures I given, which is acidic n factor of acids. In that link I provided structures including structures. Mostly I given class notes also. If not given, you can check in that link I given how to get these n factors. This is 3 n factor. Here 1 n factor. Here 2 is the n factor. Okay. Now we can multiply molarity into n factor equal to normality. Clear? Any doubt? No, which is we given those are n factors is correct. If you have any doubt, already explained in your class notes. Even if you are not understanding, I shared one links which is n factor for acids. Please look into that. Okay. Same thing you can't discuss number of times. Okay. May not be good. You can see those things, sir. You can find out. I think so everyone you have that link now. Please you can look with structures also we provided. These are n factor. Please note down this are n factor. Please S3PO4 n factories. Remember right now. S3PO4. If you don't know, please remember now. Array some concept you can learn through questions also. N factor for S3PO4. Please note down. Time I'm asking you have to give answers at least. Okay. N factor is 1 here and here 2, here 3. That depends upon structures. Okay. Note down this up. Next relation, please note down. Next relation, sir. Next relation. Relation between mole fraction. Please write siding. Relation between mole fraction and molality. Is it given or not? Please check in your notes. If you are not given, we can proceed. Relationship between molality and mole fraction. Relationship between molality and mole fraction. Is it given or not? Please check that one. Not given. Array, these are extra things. These are tool standard. But right now it will consume. Okay. But I'm sending at least source now. Please find that is don't misunderstand me. These are tool standard, but still I'm giving source to find out. Check into that one. Okay. Because these are tool standard. Even which is we are giving also all these things little bit related to tool standard. We are debating little bit from our syllabus, but still my intensity is we have to get more concepts. The thing. One, you should be able to up to J advanced level, even you are need student also. That's my intensity thing. Okay. Already na? What is the answer in 0.3 into 3? You can't get answer. 0.2 into 1. Point here 0.1 into 2. You can't get answers here. Over. Okay. What's the answers you need here? Okay. Relationship between mole fraction and molality. Please write. By using this is tool standard solutions. One chapter is a tool standard solution chapter. We can do at least 1/3 are easily questions. 1/3 tool standard solution chapter. Now right here, mole fraction. Array, who are asking previously also mole fraction was one. Because of you, I'm explaining one more time. Mole fraction meaning, sir. Suppose in the solution we have A plus B. These are the solution formed by A plus B, two components. A is the solvent. Suppose you're dissolving sugar solution. Assume that one, sugar or salt. This is solute. So solvent, I'm assuming A. Its number of moles is A. Its number of moles is B. How to calculate fraction of A? Suppose how much is present in solution fraction, how to calculate? Even I given previously one example with very good, like with colored balls also I given. Na? Why you didn't understand, I don't know. But anyway, fine. One more time I'm discussing. What is the fraction of red color balls here? How to calculate? What is the fraction of red color? Red color balls. So 2 balls red is there, and total number of balls you have to take. Fraction means ball number which is I am asking, that is by total. Total how many, sir? 2 plus 4. So this is the fraction of red color. Red color balls. If you are asking fraction of blue color balls, sir, blue color balls number, total number of balls 6. This is the fraction. Same case for science students, we are asking concentration we are doing. Whatever A mole by total number of moles. Suppose X I am asking number of moles of A by total number of moles, Na plus Nb. What is the, sir? Xi means mole fraction. In terms of mole, you have to take Na means mole, fraction means ratio. Can you write mole fraction B equal to Nb by Na plus Nb? What's your doubt here, please? Dinesh, something you are asking, no doubt previously. What's your doubt here? I think so. Mole fraction. You know that one. We're expecting. So calculate number of moles. How to calculate? You know number of moles formula. How many moles in the mixture? That is only mole fraction. Who asked previously mole fraction explain? You are not asking again. Is it correct? It means you understood or not? You are not replying anything. Correct. Combination. How much is present? Each component in terms of moles. Clear? Now we can see, sir. So I'm asked relation is we are expectation what we are going to be do here. Relationship between molality and mole fraction is clear. So you know how to calculate mole fraction. Now we can see simple. Small m is the molality, capital X is the mole fraction. So xb by xa. What's the meaning that one? Xb equal to nb by na plus nb. Xa equal to what I can write in place of xa? What we can write in place of xa? Na by Na plus Nb. So anything is cancelled here. You cancel Na plus Nb. Na plus Nb is common, sir. So I can write here Nb by Na, sir. Any doubt here? So Xb by Xa equal Nb by Na. What is the Na means? Nb by Na equal to weight of A into by molecular weight of A. You can write here Nb by Wa. That weight will, sir, it will go up. Okay. So into Ma. Doubt? Any doubt here? This is the mole fraction I given simply. I wrote very clearly here. You can see what is the A means. What is the A meaning, sir? What is the A meaning here? solvent, B means solute. Then N means moles of solvent, Na means, Nb means moles of solute. How to calculate number of moles? How to calculate number of moles? Given mass by gram molecular mass, that is the moles. Is it clear? So we get mole fraction, then I am going to be applying mole fraction xb by xa. So xb formula is substituted and nb formula is substituted. Na plus nb, Na plus nb cancel, that will be cancelled. Then xb by xa equal to nb by na. Then Na equal to weight by molecular weight. I substitute here Wa by Ma. This is we got finally. Clear. Now here finally xb by xa equal to nb by wa. Are we are multiplying into 1000, sir? Is it anything change? 1000 by 1000 we are multiplying. Anything change? If we cancel this 1000, sir, again you will get same expression. This only will get. If both sides are doing same value means nothing going to be happen. Only that is simply mathematics purpose. Now we can see, sir. NB by WA. What is the WA means? A solvent or solute? WA means solvent. What is the A means? W means weight of solvent. Now I rounded that one, sir. Any one student which is rounded one, what you can get? Which is rounded one, what we call? Array, all terms I wrote, please find here. Anyone you find? Got some answers, sir. Correct answers. XB by and I given some time to identify. Some people I didn't understand, they're getting something. So try to utilize that time. This molality, sir. Moles of solute by A means only solvent. This A means solvent or not? This is by 1000. So this is you can write molality into mass of A is solvent by 1000. What is the molality formula, sir? I am writing again. NB by NB into 1000 by W grams of solvent. Given this is anywhere only solvent, sir. This is the molality formula. NB means moles of solute. So now I can get molality equal to, rearranging, sir. Molality equal to XB by XA into 1000 by MA. So this is molality formula. Molality and mole fraction relation for I hope you know or not. I don't know one thing. I think the results already be given. Fractions always equal to 1, sir. Sum of fractions equal to 1. If mole fraction of A plus mole fraction of B equal to 1, this is simple mathematics. If you want, you can take any fractions that become only 1, sir. Sum of fractions equal to 1. If you have two fractions only I took, that is xa plus xb equal to 1. What we can write, sir? Xb equal to 1 minus xa you can write, or xa equal to 1 minus xb also you can write. Substitute here, molality equal to xb by 1 minus xb one minus xb into 1000 by ma. What is the ma means? I wrote here. Now we can check starting to ending. If any doubt you can ask. I think every formula I hope I wrote. Please check it. I'm going to show again starting to ending. Please find, sir. Here what we done in place xa, I can write 1 minus xb. I substitute here. That's the only done. Then previous case, you can see, sir, starting onwards. Don't get confusion. Very simple thing. If you are not understanding also doesn't matter. 12th standard again I will discuss same thing. But try to practice. All these are simple things, sir. You can see mole fraction. I hope you know moles of component by total number of moles. We got this is then Xc by Xa equal to. I can write in terms of Na equal to. Okay, Na. Now you can note down here. Wa by Ma. I can write. Please note down if you don't know. Then I substitute in place of Na, Wa by Ma. A will go up. Then that become Nb by Wa into A. Okay. After that, we are dividing both sides into 1000, sir. If you are dividing both sides 1000 will cancel. Nothing is going to be changed. But after multiplying 1000, Nb by Wa into 1000. That's we called molality. That's we called molality. In place of this, I substituted molality. What is the remaining, sir? Ma by 1000. Ma by 1000. Harish PSP. Xa by. You should not write Xa. 1 minus Xa by X can write. You should not write like that. Check it here. Just I substituted in place of this m, ma by 1000. Keep here m equal to. I can take this 1000 here and ma also by dividing. I will get rearranging, sir. I didn't done anything. Just rearrange that equation. Just rearranging that equation, we got finally this is. We know that one xa plus xb equal to 1. That is fraction. This is true for everywhere. If you don't know, please remember. Then if you want, you can write molality equal to another formula in terms of only xa. 1 minus xa by xa into 1000 ma. Also you can write. Even this also correct. Anything you can note down. Clear? Then your expectations is KVPY, something extra exams means we have to learn all these things. Even if you done the board level also, sir. Even this, which is I given this relation is 12th standard board level also is there. But we are studying all together. Once you done this chapter correctly, little bit fair by doing your work. When you become wherever you are studying, you are going to be very good in chemistry. Very good. But only you have to work extra day 1 or 2 hours. That's the only. Once you done, you will get too much confidence, sir. Too much confidence. To get that confidence only, students they are going too many tuitions, too many coaching centers. I am trying to provide very simple that is here to get confidence. Huh? If possible, try to do. Let me know if this is a little bit high, then I will go according to you. Okay. At least note down. You won't get this data later. Okay. At least note down. Maybe after 1 2 weeks, whenever you are chemistry analysis, you got something maturity, then you can get easily. The J is they're giving too much support for me, even whatever in terms of homework which is there. Even some need students also very thankful for you. Okay. But some people they are not responding even as well as JE or NEET also means I think so they're not sending any homework. Who are some people regularly they are sending, sir? Those are very good. Good, that is keep it up like that only. Yes, sir. We have to do basis problems. Again, try some problems which is I sent books. Those are or something of this material. I told you starting classes outside is too much competition. Don't expect that much. So if you are not ready to learn no new things, we can't do anything, sir. Some people already told na they prepared IIT foundation from 6th standard onwards. Then you are not ready to learn right now also. Sir, I am not getting, I am not understanding. So I am getting confidence. Sir, you should have patience. Okay, not getting first note down. Sit and think little bit slowly. You can get. Don't worry. These are the process only. Don't lose confidence or patience. Anyway, thank you everyone. I suggested one thing, but I'm expecting new people support, small support. Hmm, Do that thing, which is I send that support, please. I need from your side also support. You people are under approximately 200 per 200 people, but some people they give too much support, sir. Thankful for you people. Remaining also try to give the things. Thank you everyone. Priya, what's your doubt? What is the number of moles formula? Kavi Priya, what is the number of moles? Given weight by molecular weight or not number of moles. That's only substituted. Correct. Weight by gram molecular mass. Weight I'm taking all this GMM. Take MA equal to GMM. What is the problem? Substitute. Doesn't matter. I'm taking MA directly. You can use GMM. Nothing is going to be matter. In place of MA, you can keep GMM. Who will stop you? Thank you everyone. Take break. Alright, tomorrow again. I think so. Maybe doubt section will be there. Be ready with some doubts. But before asking, at least try 1 or 2 times your class notes. Then ask. Don't come directly. Thank you everyone. Thank you.